Hi everyone, I am Sajid. I am from Department of Commerce BCom. I'm going to cover the topic of need of data science and analytics in accounting and in the financial profession. Let's see a brief about it. Technology has been the constant support in the accounting and finance field as the majority of the business rely on Tech booms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, robotic process automation, and data analytics play an important role in professional development. The report further dictates how most organizations, accounting professionals, and finance industry are relying on data analytics and refer big data analytics into the workflow. The organization first start on a smaller scale and it keep its mind of the big data project. Accounting professionals prefer real-time data. They believe on the strategies for the effective use of leading edge technologies and techniques. Most of the organizations prefer building data governance and excellent infrastructure to maintain the data integrity. The organization work on expanding the data sources as well as exploring the potential uses of the external as well as the internal data sources. Accountants are one of who are responsible for adding value to the business decision and building the bridge of the organization and the clients. Rather than just focusing on calculations and numbers, the professionals will help customers, employees, clients with their data understanding and abilities. The relationship between data accounts and data science. Accounting professionals are excellent in problem solving and it's a major talent involved in growing to become the data scientist and know data analytic as well. Since the accountants know how the descriptive and the diagnostic easy way to the information to build better business decisions, the accountants are experts in making predictive as well as prescriptive decisions and come up with a better business models. The accountants are used for considering and aggregating all information for creating the better picture of the organization and summarize the details that the information already contains. They can work with the predictive analysis, prescriptive analysis. The good data scientist must understand the business context, analyze every perspective of the defined data. It is most important for understand every data set and all the time it is needed to get the directed insights from the data. The accountant can look after the context, business implications of the data and bring out the most profitable aspects from the data. Final to the conclusion. Accounting and finance industry is growing rapidly. With the time, it became increasingly important to know the importance of the data analysis in the finance and in the accounting. I must thank everyone who's spending your valuable time to see my presentation. So once again, I must thank each and every one of you.